Hey, welcome to ArrangeWave. If you're anything like me, you've been wasting a ton of time labeling tracks, stems, anything really in Finder. Check it out. Select some tracks, right-click, hit rename, find and replace. How come I didn't know about this? Let's take out that underscore, put in the name of the song, rename, bot, beautiful. Let's just take out the name altogether at the beginning to clean up the stems, make them look nice. So I'm going to type in the name, nothing, rename, clean. And then if you need to go back to what you did, literally Command-Z takes you back. Command-Z, Command-Z, we're back where we started. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed, what we should talk about next.